and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today I have a brand new subscription box unboxing for you and I'm so excited. I was actually reached out to by this company and they asked if I wanted to review their box on my channel, and so I did a little bit of research. I watched some unboxings. I found out what they were all about and I said absolutely. I am unboxing the Confetti Collections box. This is what it looks like. This box is absolutely ginormous. I don't know if it's doing justice to show you how large and in charge this box is. It's truly huge. Like, here's my torso, here is the box. It's a giant box, which is obviously very exciting. So they reached out, asked if I wanted to review it. I'm not getting paid any money for this review. I have nothing for you except a review of this box that I'm going to unbox for you right now. I have not opened it. I believe this is the June box. They only send out boxes every other month. It is $19.99 every other month. There is at least a $50 value in the box, and the people who work for Confetti Collection put together a fun box full of stationery items, full of gift kind of items, lifestyle things. When I was doing some research, watching unboxings of previous boxes, I did see people receive things like notebooks, tumblers, cute little home items, cards. I'm really excited to see what's in here. I did see some kind of spoiler about the June box, but I honestly do not remember what was in there, so it's still going to be a surprise to me what's inside of this box, and I hope that you are excited. I will leave all of Confetti Collection's information down in the description bar, so if you would like to check it out some more, if you would like to sign up, feel free to. Again, it's $19.99 every other month, or you can pay for I think a year-long subscription, so for 6 boxes, I believe, because again, it's every other month, and that costs $105. So you save a little bit of extra money if you pay for the entire year up front. Also, you can cancel your subscription at any time or skip boxes. So I believe I've talked about everything. Let's get into the most exciting part, which is the actual unboxing of this beast right here. Maybe I need to like back up a little bit to get everything in the frame. I don't know. All right, so I've got my handy dandy scissors here. Let's open her up. So this is always the most exciting part of any unboxing. Again, I have not opened this. I just broke the seal right here. We're gonna look together. Oh, this white box is making me look very tan. Ah, ooh, ooh, oh. All right, we can't see too much, but there's a nice protective bubble wrap on top. I see lots of little wormies back here. How am I gonna do this? So we've got some tape. Let's undo the tape, roll it down. Oh my gosh, I see a mug. Is there like a card somewhere? Maybe in here? Yes, okay. Okay, so it looks like we have an item here. We have items here. So I think it might just be those 2 items and then lots and lots of wormies. So I did mention earlier that a lot of the boxes that I saw unboxings for came with tumblers, but it looks like this one might come with a coffee cup. Let's go ahead and just open this one first because it's right on top. Nice protective bubble. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Look at how precious this mug is. We have lots of little wildflowers along it. This is can you hear that? It's like a tin. It's like a tin mug. Okay, so we've got an enamel. Is that what that enamel mug? Enamel mug, C.R. Gibson, Flourish by Molly Hatch. So that must be the designer of the mug itself. The manufacturer is C.R. Gibson. I've been making lots of coffees at home, so this would even be cute for just like juice, or I could even just display it on my vanity with like makeup brushes or something like that in there. This is adorable. I love this. Love, love, love. That's already got me super excited. So I think that the only thing left in this box is the package right here, which is where the bulk of the stuff comes in. There is so many worms in here. They wanted to make sure nothing got broke. This is a lot though. This might be a bit excessive. A little bit excessive, but that's okay. Okay, so now that I have pulled everything out, let's go ahead and set this gigantic box to the side. And we have this. so this is the satchel with all of the rest of our goodies in here. So it does have a nice little sticker right here. Ooh. Oh, interesting. Okay, so took off the tissue paper, and now we have everything is compact in this plastic outer packaging, and we do have a little card on top. It says surprise. The theme of this box is note to self. And it says, are you excited? Because we are. We've put together a box full of cute and clever surprises just for you. Note to self, get creative. All right, so let's go ahead and open the plastic packaging up. A lot of plastic in this. Oh geez, okay. The first thing in our little satchel is this really cute notebook. Oh my gosh. Oh, cool. Okay, so this is adorable. I always love little notebooks like this. So this one is an actual coloring notebook, so you can color the outside and you can color all of the pages on the inside. They're all the same. That's really cute. I like that it's lined. I love notebooks like this. I'm always using them all the time at home, at work, all over the place. So this is perfect and just really, really cute. It's got a nice little butterfly on it and lots of flowers. So this is the Color Me coloring notebook, and it's by, oh, it's also by C.R. Gibson. So that's really cool. So it's by the same brand that made the mug. All right, 2 items down. We do have a couple of stationery things right here. So we have a pink ribbon and some pink bows. I don't really use ribbon like this. Maybe I'll see if my mom wants it. I know that she uses ribbon like this sometimes. But these cute little pink bows are great. I can see myself using these for presents in the future. I love little things like this. So these are all just light pink bows. All right. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these match the mug. So this is the mug, and then we also have just some napkins. This is a cute little stack of napkins, which would be really nice to display on just a dinner table. Again, they're very nice. I mean, there's not very many in here. I think there's only, what, 16 napkins, but hey, they're nice. They're aesthetically pleasing. They match other things in the box, so I'm fine with that. Moving on, what is this? Oh, cute. Okay, so these go together. So we have 2 notepads in, well, sort of 2. Actually, I'll pull them apart. They go together, but I'm gonna pull them apart. Okay. So on the bottom, we have this notepad that has different colors, and it's in the shape of a butterfly, which is adorable. So things like butterflies and flowers are the themes of this box. So there's 75 sheets in here. This is just really cute. It's just the shape of a butterfly. Are they sticky, or are they're just sheets that are probably pressed together? And then we also have this little satchel of butterflies, all different colors, and it looks like these are sticky notes. That's so cute. I freaking love that. Look at their little butterflies. So it looks like we have just a couple more things left. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I love bags, like bags that you put presents in. Look at how beautiful this is. It's a gold foil heart with floral pattern in it. It's gold on both sides, which is great. I'm a weird sucker for bags, especially with some kind of metallic foiling on them. I don't know why, it's a weird thing. Oh, most of these are by C.R. Gibson. How interesting. So this is by C.R. Gibson, the mug, the first notepad, and the napkins. These were by the brand XO Paper Goods. So these were by a different brand. But this is also by C.R. Gibson, so that's really cool. I love this. I'm definitely gonna put this aside for a special occasion, probably to gift to a friend, or this could even work for a wedding. This is so cute. Okay, and then finally, another notebook, which is perfect. So this is a bright pink notebook that has the word lists written in gold foil on the front. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, cool. Okay, look at how cool that is. You can check if you've made a list of like a to-do list or a grocery list. You can check off once you've got something completed. And look at how beautiful. I love that it's magnetized. I love the design on the inside. I love the lines and the bullets. I love this. Okay, wow. I'm really pleased with this. I really like this. I will definitely use this. These are absolutely adorable. We'll definitely use these because I'm, again, always writing things down. Same with this. Maybe I'll bring this one to work. Maybe I'll just keep them all at home. I don't know. One of these will probably end up at work. Maybe actually the sticky notepad. These are cute. I mean, there's only 16 of them. They're gonna get used up and thrown away, but they're cute. They match the coffee mug, which I absolutely love this coffee mug, and I will definitely use this. This Didn't really love this. I feel like they could go without adding something like this into the box. These are really cute. Hopefully I will use them. I do have a little space in my house where I keep all kind of present and stationery goods like this. So bows, bags, tape, wrapping paper, that kind of stuff. So I'll go ahead and add these into that box. And I mean, they're really cute. I love little bows. So I'm sure that I'll get some use out of these. I feel pretty happy about this. I know that they at some point had I think it was an astrology, or maybe it was just a space themed box that looked really, really cool. I also, when I was researching the brand, they were voted winner of the best box under $25 this year. I don't know by who or anything about it, but they did win some kind of award. So people seem to be very pleased with this subscription box. I'm pretty pleased also. I think that these are really fun items. Like I've mentioned a million times probably now, I love writing things down. I love stationery and notebooks and stuff like that. I'm literally always running out of them. So now I don't have to go buy some because I got some delivered right to me, which is fantastic. I'm pretty excited about this. Thank you so much to Confetti Collections for reaching out to me and offering to send me this for review. I do appreciate it so much. Again, I want to reiterate, I didn't get any money from this. This isn't sponsored in any way. They just sent this to me for review for free. All opinions obviously are all my own. I definitely think that the value is here. If you think that this service would be valuable to you and something that you would enjoy getting every other month, again, I will have all the information linked down below. It is $19.99 for every other month, or $105 for the full year, so you get a little bit more of a discount. You can also gift a box like this to a friend. They have a gifting option. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to subscribe, don't forget to do so before you go. All buttons are down below. And I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.